And now question number 10, solve the equation 5 over x is equal to 8. Remember 8 is over 1, so x over 5 is equal to 1 over 8. In other words, we're saying x is equal to the 5 can go on the other side, it becomes 5, 8. So here we are. And now we need to solve this equation. 7y minus 4 times y is 4y minus 4 times 5 is minus 20 is equal to 1. 7y minus 4y is 3y is equal to 1. The 20 can go on the other side, plus 20, that makes 21. So 3y is equal to 21. Therefore, y is equal to 21 divided by 3, which makes it 7. Alright, so now, for this question, which is on function, f4 for this. Therefore, f4 is going to equal to 2 times 4 minus 3 divided by 5. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 3 over 5. And that makes it 5 over 5, which is then 1. Okay. An expression for f inverse of x. Now, what we can do, we can let y is equal to 2x minus 3 over 5. Therefore, 5 times y is 5y is equal to 2x minus 3. So, 5y, okay, plus 3 is equal to 2x. Rearranging again, we got x as 5y plus 3 divided by 2. So, we've turned x into the subject formula. Therefore, f inverse of x is going to be equal to 5x plus 3 divided by 2. You swap the y for x. So that means here it is 5x plus 3 over 2. Question number 12. A. It is given that 90 degrees is less than XYZ angle XYZ less than 180 degrees. Write down the word used to describe the angle XYZ. Now XYZ is between 90 and 180, therefore it is an obtuse angle. Okay, in the diagram EBD is a straight line. If this is a straight line, this is 112, we can take 180 minus the 112, which is then 68. Right, find angle ACD. ACD, therefore ACD is also 68. Why? Because they are sitting on the same chord. So we can say angle subtended by same chord, okay, are equal. Okay, for this question, the diagram in the answer space shows a graph of straight line 2x plus y is equal to 4. Draw the line with equation y is equal to 1/3 x minus 3. So minus 3 is the y coordinate. So we got minus 3 here, 0 minus 3, that's one coordinate. I can let x is equal to 6 here, right? So let x is equal to 6. So we got then y is equal to 1/3 times 6 minus 3, which is then 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So I got then minus 1. Alright, so when x is equal to 6, I got minus 1 here. So here's one coordinate, another coordinate here. We're going to draw the line, and here's the line drawn. Now, this is the first part, A. For the part B, solve the simultaneous equations. There's no need for you to solve it by elimination method or anything. It's on the graph itself. The lines are crossing, intersecting each other at this point. 3 minus 2. So we got then 3 and minus 2 here. That's it. Okay, question number 14 is an exponential graph. The diagram in the answer space shows the graph of y is equal to 2 power x. By drawing a tangent, find an estimate of the gradient of this curve at x is equal to 2. This is where x is equal to 2. So we're going to draw a tangent here. At x is equal to 2, you've got a tangent like this. So let's say somewhere like this. Now from here, oh yeah, my tangent is very bad. Okay, so this is going to be the y step, which is then, I can take it from here, here. So y step 1, 2, 3, 4, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, let's say 4.7 or 4.6 somewhere, something like that. So we got then 4.6, that's the y step divided by the x step. X step is going to be equal to 1, 1.5, 6, 7, somewhere 7, 1.5, 6, 7. Okay, if I were to draw this again, it's not looking very good. It's light here, so this is 2, so let's draw it more like this. Well, that's much better now. So again, this is going to be equal to, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4.6 here. That's the y step. And then for the x step, can take, we took it from here, yeah? And say 1, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. So I can say 1.7. If you were to divide this, you're going to get 2, because that's like 46 over 17, and minus 46 minus 34, because 2 times is 34, it's going to be equal to 12 divided by 7. So that's your gradient, basically. Okay, so the gradient is 2. It's an estimate, it's not exact. All right. Then use your graph to find the value of 2 to the power of 2.5. 2.5 is here, and 2.5 here. All right. Okay. So you come draw a line, you touch the graph. Over here. Touch the graph here, and it's going to come here. So this is your value, 5.6. So we got this one as 5.6. Here we are. Next is 2 power n is equal to 5. Now this is y. So 5 is here, the y-axis. Touch the curve and come down. Got 2.123. So this is going to be equal to 2.3. Okay. Question number 15. A source of light is observed from a distance of d meters. The amount of light received, L units, is given by the formula L is equal to K over D squared, where K is a constant. Given that L is equal to 9, when D is equal to 2, calculate the value of K. So what we need to do is just put these values here into this formula. So L is equal to 9. So we got then 9 is equal to K over D squared, and D is 2. So K over 2 to the square. So 2 to the square is 4. 4 times 9 is 36, meaning that K is equal to 36. Right. L, when D is equal to 3, we need to find L. So for the second part, L is equal to, now K is 36 divided by 3 to the square. So that means 36 over 9, the answer is 4. This one is when L is equal to 100, we need to find D. So L is equal to 100, and we have K, which is 36 over D square, and we have to find D. D times 100 is 100 D square is equal to 36. So D square is equal to 36 divided by 100, meaning that D is equal to the square root of 36 over 100, which is then 6 over 10, and that's 2 over 5. I mean 3 over 5.